How to make money using email marketing. Hi there, today we'll learn how to gain profit from using email marketing. But what is email marketing? This is actually a digital marketing strategy that involves sending promotional emails or newsletters to a group of subscribers or customer. This has a goal to build relationship with the recipients and encourage them to take some action or to take part of your product or your business. So here are some of the examples. TheHustle.com and also morningbrew.com are actually some of the examples that you can see, newsletters or different types of email marketing that you can definitely view and keep you updated on what are the common trends. So for you to start creating your own email marketing, what you can do is you can create a template for your emails using convertkit.com. So here, these are some of the examples of what email marketing would look like. So it's actually sending, or you need to create your own recipients first, or create an email list in order for you to be able to send these emails to different clients or different customers that has a potential of getting into your business. So here, okay, so for us to gain our own subscribers or an email list, what you can actually do is you can log in into your YouTube account, or if you have a blog or an existing blog that you have, you can also use that as well. So here, what we can do is that here on our YouTube account, we can search on different how-to videos and different videos that you can see. Here are the sample title of the videos that are mostly searched by the audience or the viewers or subscribers using YouTube. So what you can do here is that you can start with creating videos that has a lot of views that you can create into your video so that you will gain a lot of viewers, which means if you have a lot of viewers, that would give you more subscribers as well for your email list. So you can search for different words that your business is in line with. So for example, you can look for art, and you can see most of the searches that you can see are AI generated artworks like Midjourney, or creating NFT with your artwork. So these are the most viewed videos that are related to art or art illustration. Here, so you can go to your channel. So you just click on your profile on the upper right corner and view your channel. This usually is where your videos will be shown. So you just need to create one, and for you to start building up your channel and gain your email list or your subscribers. So once you already have your subscribers and your email list, you can go to convertkit.com. From here, you can click on send, and there will be an option for you to send an email template, and this is how it will look like once you click on it. What you can do is that you can just input the informations that you want the email content to be in. So for example, this is just your own email template that you will be creating for your own product. So this is, for example, I'm offering 50% off to all of our products if I do own a business. So you can use this email template, and then you can just modify. For example, you put the link of your website. You can just type in the website or what word, or click here, and then on the top portion you can see that there's a link icon. the one that looks like a chain. When you click on it, you can apply or paste the URL, and that would be embedded into the word that we have placed. So you just click on save, and then once saved, you now have an email template that you can use for your email marketing. So here you can also create a landing page. So you can also use the URL of your landing page. So if you want to embed this into the email link that we created or email template that we created earlier as well. So here are a lot of templates that you can use for your landing page depending on what your businesses offer. So for example, it's a newsletter or it's just links that they can consume, or if they just want to be included on a wait list, or if they are purchasing an ebook, you can definitely create one as well. So here, now that you have an email template, you can copy the URL of your landing page, and then you can just incorporate that into the email link or in the email template that we created here. So on the left side panel, or on the right side panel rather, this is where you can modify or change like the color, the the font size. You can also change as well the alignment and how your email will look like once it will be sent to your customers or to your potential customers or subscribers. You can check on the templates that you have, and you can actually look into ConvertKit. There are different plans that you can make use of. If you don't want to use the free plan, there are actually some plans that you can make use of that is comes with a subscription fee, where it also has a lot of features that are not included on a free plan. So what we can do now here is that in order for us to gain profit or make money with using email marketing, what we can do is actually we can go to muncheye.com. This is actually a platform where it will allow you, or it has a lot of businesses that are looking for email marketing strategies that you can work on, so that they will have, or this will boost their business. So as you can see, there are different businesses that has launched their product or their promos. For example, you can look for those businesses here at muncheye.com. So when you scroll down here under big launches, you will be able to see that there are businesses that are starting up, that they are offering 50% commission fee once a person or a subscriber purchases one of their products. So which means, for example, that product cost $100. So if you are able to sell that or bring customers that will purchase their product to them, will gain, so which means you will gain 50% of that $100. So that's how it works. So you can see here there's a lot of businesses that you can look for. So when you click on one, if you decide on creating or helping with marketing their product, what you can do is that you can actually modify your email template. You can have it personalized or more on relating the email to your own experiences, so that you will be able to catch the emotion, or you will be able to get more customers using that type of strategy. And that's how you do it. Once you have created a email template for these products, then you can send it to all of your email list or your subscribers that you have on your blog or on your YouTube video, for example. Once that has been done, that would you would definitely gain profit for that. For example, you have 100 subscribers and five of them will s- purchase the product that you are sending them through a newsletter. That would definitely gain you a lot of profit. And that's how you do it. That's how you make money using email marketing. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.